Hey everybody, if you're self-quarantining like we are and you're hunkered down inside, you might as well have fun. So what I'm cooking tonight, I'm cooking my wife some dinner. I'm calling it Coronajitas. And I'm using Corona beer. I'm gonna braise some chicken. I'm making fajitas and it's gonna be delicious. So here we go. First I'm gonna take my chicken that I've cut into strips. I'm gonna add in a little chili. Get a little chili on there. Have a little bit of a cayenne if you want a little spice. Add it, that's optional. A little cumin in there, a little garlic powder. And mix that all up. There we go. Put it in a pan, make sure it's really nice and oiled pan. And start those chicken strips going right in there. Get those nice and sauteed. Woo! This is good. Yes, get that going. Some nice spice on those. All right, make sure you're washing really good. Wash those hands. Just sing to a little bit of loud music while you're doing it. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Having a little fun in the kitchen. Nice. There we go. As you can see, I'm going to get those nice and sauteed. I'm on high heat. There we go. Just relax. Be in your bathrobe, no makeup, put your hair back. Have a good time. I have my Corona that I'm going to pour in to braise this fajita chicken. And then I got one for myself as well. You know, it's relaxation time. Nothing wrong with that. All right, here we go. Woo! There we go. I usually let those cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Get that nice and sauteed. I love this dish. Who doesn't love a good fajitas? You put some tortillas on the burner. You get them nice and get a little char on them. Put some veggies in there. A little spice on there. All right. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of Corona beer. Oh, yeah. Let that simmer down. Let that steam that chicken in there. Oh, this is so good. You just put that in between a tortilla with some red peppers and onions, a little avocado, and you're ready to go. Woo. I love this dish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this kind of burn off. Let that burn off some. Let that reduce. There we go. Leave them a little juicy. You want them a little juicy because that has a nice little moisture to them. And then once that's gone, I'm going to put that on the side there. I'm just going to put that chicken right there for a minute. And then I'm going to start my onions and peppers. Here we go. Get that pan hot again. You don't need to do anything. Don't wipe it out. Leave all those juices and that goodness in there. And then put your peppers in. Go right in with the peppers. Go right in with the onions. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is good. And make sure you have your, so you can see I have my jalapenos and my cilantro right here ready to go. I've got a couple tortillas. I just take the burner, I put the burner right on like this. There we go. Make it nice and hot. Get some tongs. That. But see, this is what we're doing. We're all like together. With a lot of togetherness. You have a lot of extra time in your hands. This is a great time to pull everything out of your pantry. It also saves money. What you haven't used over the last few weeks, pull it out. And let's get it cooking. Get in the kitchen, get in the cooking mode with your family. This is a good time to, you know, get your skills up to par, get going in the kitchen with everybody. It's a fun time. All right. And get those peppers and onions nice and caramelized. Yeah. You can even wet these a little bit with deglaze a little bit with the beer. Get that tortilla off the burner. Look at that, nice and, that's what you want. That's what you want. Oh, yeah. Now what you do is you take this chicken, put it right back. Put it right back in the pan. There you go. Oh, that's so good. So nice. Get those going. There we go. All right, what I like to do now is I like to hit it with a little bit of cilantro in there. Put some pieces of cilantro. Give it a squeeze of lemon or lime. Oh, right in the pan. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's one for me. There you go. Oh, yeah. Take that fajita there. A little chicken. A little onion. A little bit more chicken in there. Make you a good fajita. All right. Come over here. Again, a little bit more cilantro in there. I love lots of cilantro. And if you really like heat, put a couple jalapenos in there. Oh, yeah. And there you have it. Maybe a little avocado. Let me taste it anyway. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That. A little Corona cheers. And there you go. Coronajitas. Have fun in the kitchen while you're inside. Love and life.